In this week's episode, we explore Torrevieja's famous pink salt lakes, we encounter some singing pirates, battle some extremely windy elements, try and figure out how to eat sardines, and there's chaos in the car park.
Discrimination! Hiya guys, we've rocked up in Torrevieja. We're outside the Torre del Moro, which translates as the Moorish Tower.
It was built in the 14th century and was a watchtower to look out for pirates, actual pirates.
Yeah, which were very common in the 14th century. Can you imagine what it was like back then?
Yeah. I wonder if they were actual pirates as in Pirates of the Caribbean.
Maybe not. Anyway, join us this week as we have a look around Torrevieja. The Torre del Moro was built in the Moorish era. In fact, Torrevieja means Old Tower. The tower is locked closed, presumably for safety reasons, but you can still stand on top of the steps and pretend you're on watch for pirates. The tower is now located in a park with a beautiful view. There is also a bar cafe which can be enjoyed in the shade. Ooh-ah, shiver me timbers.
Just want to welcome you to this lovely little campsite that we found in Torrevieja. It's situated at the far end of Torrevieja. It's probably about half an hour walk into the main town. But this is just really lovely. So you've got showers, you've got toilets, you've got access to a washing machine as well if you need it. And the owners are super lovely and super helpful. Yeah, and you are literally about, I would say, about 300 metres from the beach, so you can't see it from here, but behind that wall there is a beach. It's a rocky beach, so there's not much sand on it, but you can still take your chairs down and sit there. Unfortunately at the moment this campsite doesn't allow you to put any tables and chairs out or your awnings out. I'm not really sure of the reasons for that, but I mean, if you've got a beach right there, it's no problem at all. So just behind me there's a green fence, I don't know if you can see it. So behind there is a bar and a restaurant, and belonging to the bar is a swimming pool, and if you buy a couple of drinks in the bar they'll allow you to use the swimming pool as well. But yeah, it's perfect. It's in a perfect area. It's not far away from everything, and at a bargain it's €10 a night. If you want electric, it's an extra €4. We headed into town for the day, had a look around the marina, which is located close to the city centre, and beach promenade. The area incorporates the city's harbour, 2 marinas, the pier and various attractions and activities. Many locals take their evening walk along the pier to enjoy a bit of exercise, the views and that refreshing sea breeze. So we're up on like a bit of a boardwalk. The wind is blowing, it's really lovely. It's still really hot, but the wind is like, so lovely.
Yeah, because we're on the coast, it's quite a cool breeze, isn't it?
So lush.
Yeah.
It really cools things down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it is a bit cooler now. We're in October. It's not so much in the 30s now, but it's still mid-20s. It's still like really lovely.
Yeah, it's still warm inland a little bit.
Yeah. just got down to the front in Torrevieja. We're sitting on a bench, we're just sitting here for 5, we're contemplating what we want to eat.
Yeah, might have some sardines.
Yeah, apparently they're really lovely, so we
Yeah.
might have a little taste of those in a minute.
Yeah, they're my pop's favourites.
Yeah, so we're gonna try them out, have a drink on the front somewhere. If you can see behind me, there's people in the sea. Oh, it's just gorgeous. The day is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a lovely day today.
Yeah. So this is a pirate market right on the marina. How cool is that? Some lovely stuff here. Some like donutty looking thing. Oh, we got a mojito club. Cocktails. Loads of cheeses. Sausage. Chorizo. Oh, look at that. Coconut there. That's cool. Oh God, here comes the bag shop. Gonna have to have a look in here. Right, just bear with me, love, bear with. Is a band playing? Yeah. We got home with them stopping as soon as we get down there, you know. Wow, I was our little band then.
Oh, excellent.
They were really good. Like, I've never seen anything like that before.
Stars of the pirate market.
Yeah, definitely really enjoyed that. Fair play to them. Thank you.
Ole! Viva España!
Oh, look at this. Ooh. You can eat the bones in these, can you? Wow. I have to say, the last time I ate a sardine was probably from a tin, probably about 20 years ago. These are cooked fresh, tails and all. And I gotta be honest, they're really tasty. And I think you eat the bones. I don't know. I don't know how to eat them.
I'm eating the bones.
Yeah, I think you can eat the bones. They're quite soft tonight.
Yeah.
Mm.
I didn't expect them to be edible,
Mm.
but yeah, they are.
So we're just leaving the middle of Torrevieja. No? We're just leaving the middle of...
Could have left that in.
I should have. So we're just leaving the middle of Torrevieja. No?
Leave it in, leave it in.
So we're just leaving the middle of town. Yeah, we're on our way back to the campsite now. It's about 5:30. So we're going to get back and have a quick shower. Probably a little walk along the beach. Ooh, look at that fan there. That looks really cool. Cool. And then we are going to go and film the moon coming up, because last night the moon came up over the sea and it was really lovely. So we're going to see if we can try and catch that coming up now, and also maybe go to the bar for a little drink.
Drinky poo. Maybe go in the pool.
Maybe go in the pool. That'll be nice.
We'll set up a time lapse first of the moon.
Yeah. So we've just been stopped going out to the car park because we haven't paid. To be honest with you, we took a card from the machine, a ticket, and then we didn't. There was no like pay machine anywhere. We didn't see it, so we just thought, it's just a ticket. And then when the ticket came out, and then the man has just gone, no, you have to pay. And we were like, okay, that's no problem whatsoever. But instead of letting us through and then just in coming out, he's pushed us back. He's made us reverse back, and now he's caused a massive, like, chaotic kind of traffic jam around us. I mean, we weren't trying to get to paying it. We just didn't know we had to because there was no machines or anything around. But he's just told us now that the machine is way back there. It's in somewhere. It's inside somewhere. So, no problem. So the bloke that just told us that we had to go pay for the parking, which was fair enough, just told us as well that camping cars are not allowed in that car park and we're too big. But there's no signs up at all anywhere stipulating what vehicles are allowed and what vehicles are not allowed. And we fitted into our space. We weren't hanging over at all. We fitted in perfectly. So I don't know what that was about. Do we just?
Discrimination!
Discrimination against the camping car community again. We headed to Torrevieja's famous pink salt lakes. We could see the dried salt around the edge, and we were also greeted by a gorgeous little praying mantis. Here him, we've just seen. Whoa, what you up to, dude? Ooh, he's putting on a bit of a show. The salt lakes in Torrevieja have been a valuable resource for centuries. People have been collecting salt from these lakes since the early 19th century, making them an important part of Spain's salt industry. Not only do they contribute to the city's economy, but they offer a natural spa-like benefit. The mud and salt at the bottom of the lakes are believed to have healing properties that can alleviate common skin and respiratory ailments. Halobacterium, also known as salt bacterium, and a microalgae called Danellia salina are the two special ingredients that give the lake its unique colour. Despite its unusual hue, the water is safe to swim in, although it can have a slight aroma. Hey there lovely people, we've come to the end of this week's episode. We really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you found this video to be entertaining, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up. Your likes are like little bursts of happiness that brighten up our day. Your support means so much to us and keeps us inspired to create new content for all you lovely people. Thank you so much for being a part of this incredible journey. Stay awesome, take care, and until next time, keep spreading the joy.
Hey Lola, which member of the Beatles was really a bird?
Which one, Lenny?
Flamingo Star!